Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing how to make noodles, also known as Indomie. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. First of all, I placed a pot of water on fire. Few minutes later, I added the noodles into the boiling water. I allowed it to cook for about 3 minutes or thereabouts. After which I sieved out the water and also rinsed it with cold water so that it will not stick together. The next thing was to place my pot on fire. I allowed it for some seconds so that the water will dry up, then I added my vegetable oil. The next thing I added was onions. I added sliced fresh tomatoes. I stirred everything together so that it will not get burnt. The next thing I added was the noodle seasoning. I added my dry pepper, which was available at the moment. The next thing I added was my blended crayfish. Adding of crayfish is optional, but I love the unique taste. I stirred it very well so that it will not get burnt. The next thing I added was the noodles. After which I stirred everything together so that they can align. I added a little water so that it will not be giving me that fried taste or fried look. The last but not the least that I added was this sliced vegetable, pumpkin leaves to be precise. I covered it for some seconds, then I opened it again. And I stirred everything together. At this point, our food is ready, so I turned off the fire. After which I stirred my eggs very well. I went ahead and added pepper. The next thing I added was seasoning cube. I added my sliced onions. After which I stirred everything together so that they can align. I placed a clean frying pan on fire, added vegetable oil into it. I allowed the oil to heat for some seconds before adding in my stirred egg. At this point, the food is fully ready to be served. If you have watched to this extent, I really appreciate. May God bless you. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. And please, if this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to click on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.